Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about smooth low portion guys. Once again I'm talking about the SLP Coin Today update. That is the last 24 hours update of smooth low portion. The market is going up, the people are getting again profit from a smooth low portion. Absolutely guys, you can see here that is the last 24 hours update of smooth low portion, last one day update. So guys, if you are new on my channel and if you want a everyday update of a cryptocurrency market, so please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about SLP coin. So guys, you can see here, first of all, after a long time, the previous time the smooth low portion completely decrease, I mean the falls occur in a SLP coin, but that is a surprise news that is a good news for all SLP coin holders, that today again SLP start jump. You can see that is the last 24 hours changes 14% the price pump. Just in the last 24 hours the price pump 14%, and from a price chart you can see here they go straight, not a jump, not dump. Now pump, no dump guys, but here you can see here, from here they start jumping, and again in the latest situation the price falls down. But I hope guys that is a temporary falls. You can see here that is a roadmap. You can see a jump, again falls down, again jump, again falls down, and I believe that again the SLP will jump. That is my personal prediction about smooth low portion. I already told you that it is a low price coin, and the low price coin also good for investment guys. So if you want to buy SLP coin, so again I recommend for you, it's a good time to buy. Anyways guys, remember that I'm personally not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrencies, any coin, any token, so please do your own research. I'm not responsible for you guys. And now, just in a later situation, the SLP is going better in the market. What you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about smooth low portion, about SLP coin? Please share your opinion in the comment box. Hope you like this update video guys. If you like, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates and news videos about cryptocurrencies market. Thanks for watching.